Yo, this is Atola. So we are just testing out the current setup. Obviously, I got this new mic. This is like Digitech. So this is some Indian brand, but I think it's pretty good from what I've seen. I did some of my own tests, and this is an Indian drink as well. Yeah. Also, this lighting might be a little bit intense. I think maybe that's a little bit better, but basically I have like sort of a light coming from the top and it's quite intense. Anyways, yo, so I watched this short on Instagram and it said that before you start making content, you need to have a why, in a sense of like, why does anyone want to watch this? Like, what's my intention? Am I trying to educate? Am I trying to, uh, what's the word? Like motivate? What is the intention of my content? What is it for? And yeah, essentially said that like just making content and then figuring it out later is kind of it's a selfish way of making content, and it makes it harder to actually gain viewership because you're not considering the viewers, you're just considering yourself and your own journey, I guess. So I'm going to why am I coughing into the mic? My bad, guys. Uh, I'm going to consider this more and just try and implement more of that sort of mentality of just like thinking about what the viewer kind of needs in that sense. So, yeah, but audio fixed. I mean, I have two of these, so I can literally do interviews, Obviously, quite an awkward guy, but I feel like I could just switch that off, you know, depending on just the time. Like sometimes I just feel more sociable than others. So we'll definitely do some interviews, and those should be pretty funny. Yeah, signing out. It's been a Toller. Good night or good morning. I don't even know what time it is for you, but